Mississippi Sawyer. All right. I really like this piece. I like all of them. They're so much fun. So the basic tune, let us, look, I gotta squeeze this in here. Oh man, my document camera doesn't want to do all of it at once. Okay, first things first, we have 4/4. We have 4 beats per measure, and we're starting off with this pickup note, 4 and 1. All right. The other thing that we have to think about is our key signature. We have only 1 sharp. So this is telling me that we are in G major. So anytime that we have a C, that C is going to be a C natural, a low 2. And if we were to go onto our E string, we would also have a low 2 on that, because that would be a G sharp if it was a high 2. And we need to make sure that we have a low 2. So low 2 for that one as well. Okay, so we talked about our time signature, our key signature. Now we need to talk about our roadmap. So this gives me a really good indication that there is going to be a repeat some point that I need to get back there. So first line, second line, third line, I find this repeat, and that's going to take me all the way back to this beginning. All right, then I'm going to go and then jump over this first ending, and I'm going to go into my second ending. And F, G, or G, F, G, B, G, B, G, B, D, D. Look at all of this beautiful G major arpeggio. A, F, D, F, oh, D major arpeggio. We're walking up. Look, this is a D major scale walking up there. And then we have a G major arpeggio. G, B, G, B, G, B, D, D. We're coming down right here. Low 2. C, B, A, G, F, D, G, G, F, G, G, F. All right, that's our first ending. That's going to take us back to our 10 there. So bum 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 ba da bum, and we're going to go all the way through, skip over that first ending, and go into our second ending there. Okay, so we're starting this off with a 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. So this 4 and is bringing us back into this. We're skipping over this. We're just going right to that first beat, and then we're going to jump over that first ending, and then this G, F is going to lead us into measure 10. So we want to leave our fingers down for as long as humanly possible. B, C, D, B, D, B, D, B, C, D, C, A, C, A. Not helping us too much. C, C, D, B, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da, ba, 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 ba. So this is our 3, 1, 3, 1. We're going to reach behind 3, 1's going to come back, 3 over top, and then lift up. Leave this one down because we have to come to this low 2 there. C, B, A, G, F, D, G, G, F, G. And make sure that we have these low 2's. You will hear whether we are in and out. Now when we're doing this one, 3, 1, 3, 1, we're going to leave that 3 down. 3, 1, and we're going to leave that one down until we get to here. 3, 3, A, F, D, F. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, D, D, A, F, D, F, da, 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 ba. 3, 1, 3, 1, and we're just going to leave that down. There's no reason to lift that up until we get to that third finger, and then we walk down and we jump back up to 10. All right, let's pitch that out. Mississippi Sawyer, you're up, pizzicato. So I'm starting my hand out. I'm leaving all 3 down, and then I'm going to lift up that and just to that 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, A. I want my hand to be very, very steady, and I'm only moving those fingers as much as I have to. And so I'm going to leave them just right above my string to hover and keep this whole hand frame exactly where it needs to be. So 1, 2, 3, and B, C, D, B, D, B, D, B, C, D, D, A, C, A, C, C, D, C, B, C, walk down, G, B, D, B, scale down, first ending, walks into our repeat, D, B, D, B, D, B, C, D, A, F, G, B, D, B. Walk down. But second ending here walks into the next section. G, B, G. I'm leaving that finger down. G, B, D, D. A, F, D, F. Walk up. A. Leave this 3 down as we go over to that B. 3, 1, 3, 1. Now move that third finger. Walk down. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and back to 10. Leaving these fingers down. G, B. Now move over. A, F, D, F. Walk up. G, B. Leave these fingers down. Now move. Low 2. Walk down. Second ending. All right, let's do it with that bow. We're starting off with that half bow. Half, half, whole, whole. Now let's do the whole thing with the repeats. 1, 2, ready, go. Half bows. Bow 2. Half bow, whole. Repeat. Half bow. Second ending. Measure 10. Leave those fingers down. Just have that bow rock back and forth. Third finger now. D major arpeggio right here. Walk up. 3, 1. Leave them down. Walk down. First ending. Repeat back to 10. 3, 1. Leave them down. Bow 2. Second ending. Happy practice.